On March 19, 2025, Immigration and Customs Enforcement, or ICE, apprehended Franklin Jose Jimenez-Bracho in a joint operation with Florida law enforcement agencies. Jimenez-Bracho, an alleged member of the Venezuelan gang Tren de Aragua, or TDA, was targeted for his suspected involvement in human trafficking and smuggling. This arrest marks a significant moment as the first under President Trump's recent invocation of the Alien Enemies Act, a controversial law from 1798. The arrest has ignited debate, raising concerns about potential overreach and violations of constitutional rights. What is the Alien Enemies Act? Well, it enacted in 1798 during a period of heightened tensions with France, was part of the larger Alien and Sedition Acts. This act grants the president broad authority to detain and deport non-citizens deemed a threat to national security, a power that has been controversial since its inception. This law, rarely used throughout history, has been invoked primarily during times of war, when national security concerns are at their peak. Including the War of 1812, World War I, and World War II, the act has seen its most significant applications. Its use in peacetime, particularly against individuals suspected of gang affiliation, has sparked intense scrutiny and debate among legal scholars and civil rights activists. Critics argue that the law is outdated, susceptible to abuse, and undermines due process protections afforded to all individuals within U.S. borders, calling for its repeal or significant reform. The operation to apprehend Jimenez-Bracho involved a coordinated effort between ICE, the Florida Highway Patrol, or FHP, and the Florida Department of Law Enforcement, or FDLE. Details surrounding the arrest remain limited, but reports suggest law enforcement used a tactic of luring Jimenez-Bracho into a controlled environment where he was taken into custody. The operation highlights the increasing collaboration between federal and state agencies in targeting individuals suspected of gang affiliation and transnational criminal activity. Tren de Aragua, a transnational criminal threat. ICE Director Todd Lyons has labeled Tren de Aragua, or TDA, as a significant threat to national security, emphasizing the gang's involvement in a wide range of criminal activities. These activities are not just limited to one region, but span across multiple countries, making it a complex issue for law enforcement agencies. TDA, originating in Venezuela, has expanded its reach throughout South America and into the United States, utilizing various entry points along borders and waterways. This expansion has allowed them to establish a network that facilitates their illegal operations, making it difficult for authorities to track and intercept their activities. The organization is implicated in heinous crimes, including murder, rape, theft, drug and weapons trafficking, and human trafficking. Their criminal activities have had devastating impacts on communities, leaving a trail of violence and fear. Lyons underscored the Trump administration's commitment to dismantling TDA, stating that their operations constitute irregular warfare against American citizens. He highlighted the need for international cooperation to effectively combat this transnational threat and protect the safety and security of the public. Please like, subscribe, and comment to stay updated on this critical issue. Your support helps us bring more important stories to light. Constitutional concerns. The Fourth Amendment under scrutiny. The invocation of the Alien Enemies Act and subsequent arrest of Jimenez-Bracho have reignited concerns about potential violations of the Fourth Amendment, which protects individuals from unreasonable searches and seizures. This amendment is a cornerstone of American civil liberties, ensuring that government authorities cannot overstep their bounds without proper judicial oversight. Reports indicate that ICE, emboldened by the president's directive, has conducted warrantless workplace raids and detentions in several states, including New Jersey. These actions have sparked widespread debate and concern among citizens and lawmakers alike. Newark Mayor Ross Baraka publicly condemned these actions, citing clear violations of constitutional rights. He emphasized the importance of adhering to the principles enshrined in the Constitution, warning that ignoring these protections could erode public trust in law enforcement. Legal experts and civil rights groups argue that circumventing the Fourth Amendment sets a dangerous precedent, potentially leading to racial profiling, unjustified detentions, and a climate of fear within immigrant communities. They stress that upholding constitutional rights is essential for maintaining justice and equality in society. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more updates.